Get started with Crowdalytics Annotation tool. First, install the tool through Load Unpacked to your Chrome browser. Then open a scientific paper of your choice. Activate the tool by clicking on the extension icon. Login is prompted using your account. On the right side bar that popped up, you will find additional information on how to get started. You can also pin the annotation panel so that it will stay open until you close it. You can start using the tool to annotate arguments and hypotheses in a paper. Start by selecting some text on the web page to bring up the Annotate buttons. Then click Argument to annotate an argument component. An annotation card will be added to the Argument tab. Enter a label and select an argument component type for the annotation and save it. When there are multiple types of argumentation entities in the list, you can link them together in the editor by their appropriate relationships. For example, you can link this evidence to the claim. To annotate an explicit hypothesis, simply select the text and click the Hypothesis button. In the Hypothesis annotation card, additional information is required before you can save it. At least one dependent and independent variables are needed in this case. To annotate an implicit hypothesis on a figure, select the figure ID and click the Hypothesis button. An implicit hypothesis card will auto-detect the figure ID but will prompt you to enter an implicit hypothesis yourself. The Data Science Workflow button and tab are available in a Jupyter notebook. In a notebook, you can annotate code snippets or text descriptions. Start by selecting some text from a non-code cell to create text snippet annotations. Then select some code in a code cell to create a code snippet annotation and tag the data science activities in the code. A text snippet can be linked to a code snippet if the text describes the code.